Good morning. It's 6:15 in the morning and I'm heading to Zubiri next. It's a little bit wet this morning, so I had to do costume change and put this jacket on. I've also requested donkey service today, and donkey service is basically where someone takes your bag to the next place you're staying, simply because I had some back spasms. So I just want to give myself the best possible chance today, recover, and then I can carry the bag again. So this is kind of what I see. Okay, I'm on the right path now. Today is a very different day than yesterday. I've only been walking for an hour and I only have 18 kilometers to go, which is kind of insane. I think it's because there hasn't been much uphill at all. It's been pretty flat. So I've been able to walk through it pretty quickly. So yeah, 18 more kilometers to go, and it's pretty awesome here. It's just farmland. So as you walk, you'll have other pilgrims pass by, and sometimes you might run into people that you know, and then other times you have no idea who they are. Some people are talkative, others aren't. You basically just follow the markers the whole way. a bunch of pilgrims walked by, and now I have a stretch of nobody, just me and the nature. One thing I just realized, and I mean, take this with a grain of salt because it's only day 2, I find it a lot less painful if you start in the dark, because you can see things when it's sunny, but in the dark you're just walking, so you don't know how far you've gone, which mentally kind of helps with walking. Just follow the arrow. The tracks are relatively easy to walk. I mean, it's a path. It's not easy because you're going uphill. It can be quite exhausting, but easy respects that there's a clear path. The DOMs have set in, and I think it's because of the amount I climbed yesterday, and I'm really starting to feel it in my thighs, in the back part, like the hamstrings and the glutes. So I just had a Nurofen break instead of a water break, and hopefully that'll kick in pretty soon. But I'm almost there. Today's been relatively easy compared to yesterday. It's been so much more forgiving, which I guess is a good thing. And I've reached an outdoor truck bar. It seems that this is a working forest because I just saw a tree fall down straight ahead. "26-degree decline. I think it's time for the sticks." I was just speaking with some pilgrims at the last rest stop, and we were talking about the sun and how the left side of your body gets the most sun. And you don't really realize it, but that's just where the sun is the whole time when you're walking. And it's just really important to get some sun cream because it's actually quite strong. You just don't realize it. So you basically need a hat, and you need sun cream, and you need the clothes to cover yourself because you will get sunburned if you don't. I guess it's also worth mentioning that there's a guy in front of me who actually looks quite sunburned. Even I think I'm a little bit burnt, and I use sun cream. I think I've made it to Zubiri. Look at this. Just a little bit further to go, and then I can chill out. What a magical little town. This is Zubiri. Oh look, there's a guy who's got his feet in the water. He's having a little rest. Just 100 meters to go. That's it. I'm here.